At Halfords, we stock a wide range of batteries for your car that we can fit to help get you on your way in no time. There's a lot to choose from, and here's how to make your choice. Before starting, we've created a car lookup tool at halfords.com. Type your car registration number into the tool and up pops the range of batteries that Halfords recommends for your car. First, the types of batteries. Lead acid batteries. These come with a 3-year guarantee, give up to 20,000 engine starts and have a very reasonable price tag. Calcium batteries. These are slightly more expensive but have 18% more starting power and 10,000 more engine starts than lead acid batteries. Ideal for someone taking a lot of short journeys, the 4-year guarantee is a huge plus too. The 5-year guarantee Yuasa Silver range. A range ideal for cars with plenty of gadgets, covering sat-navs, aircon, cool boxes, DVD players. This battery gives 50,000 engine starts and has 33% more starting power than a regular calcium battery. Perfect for cold weather when your engine might need a bit more help. Do you have a car with stop-start functionality? You need an AGM or an EFB battery. These cope with the constant stop and starts of your engine and offer an incredible 360,000 engine starts with a 4-year guarantee. These have to be registered with your vehicle's onboard computer. We recommend you get a Halfords professional to fit them because we have the specialist tools required. To see our battery range, head to Halfords website or pop in store where a member of the team will be happy to help. And don't forget, Halfords offers a low-cost fitting service and recycles your old battery for free.